Yeah, to my samurais and my samurettes, it's a sure bet that your health is your wealth. Hi, I'm Dr. Isaac Alexis from Slim Samurai Media Group 84, helping you to slash through sickness and offering you a slice of health and wellness. Greetings, samurais and samurettes. Today, we're going to discuss delicious, savory meals that are nutritious, especially if you're health conscious, that is very easy to prepare, and that's going to take your armamentarium of dishes truly to the next level. Today, what we have is my famous jerked Jamaican cuchilla encrusted chicken with hummus, bell peppers, tomatoes, cucumbers. And you're gonna see that this is a dish that is second to none. You've seen in my prior video when I was making and preparing the Jamaican chicken. Now today, you're gonna see the byproducts. Come in closer. Now, as you can see here, my samurais and samurettes, I have cucumbers. The benefits of cucumbers I've discussed previously. And so I'm just gonna plate it for you. Closer. And so that you can enjoy the essence Next, my samurais and samurettes, we have the wonderful bell pepper. I like to take one of these bad boys here. We've got the orange bell pepper, clocking in at approximately 250 milligrams of vitamin C. I'll cut it oblong down this way, in this fashion here. Bringing it across like this. Closer. And then I like to generally mix it up with a yellow bell pepper. I have my red bell pepper, but that has been put in with my Jamaican chicken. So I normally will put that in here too, but that's fine. So you can see so far, not bad, very nice mix. Okay, now let's come and look at some delicious Jamaican, show my face, jerk chicken here. We'll segue into the belly of the beast. Come closer. And you'll see how delicious that chicken looks. All that delicious goodness, you'll see better when I put it with my cucumbers, bell peppers, and tomatoes, my Slim Samurai family. All right? Gonna take one of these chickens here. Come closer. And as you can see, this is a dish that is second to none. I can come closer. This is a dish that I will prepare for you and your wonderful family. And we can add Another delectable slice of health and wellness right here. And as you can see, this is very, very tasty, and it is second to none. Come closer. You see that delicious goodness, you will not be able to resist. And then I like to add my family a little bit of organic hummus as a wonderful spread. That we can dip our vegetables and chicken in and just enjoy this wonderful concoction of health and wellness. And to that, I also like to add a little bit of some cuchala as well, just to mix in. And as you can see, this is a dish that is second to none and will help take your family to the next level of health and wellness. Now, in case you don't know the benefits of cuchala, please refer to my prior videos where I talk about that specifically, as well as the benefits of bell peppers, cucumbers, and tomatoes. And this wonderful, delicious meal, you're looking at about 40 grams of protein, and with the chicken here, between 40 to 50 grams of pure protein. And this is going to help build lean body mass, and loaded with antioxidants in the bell peppers and tomatoes and cucumbers. Cardiac healthy, also beneficial to the gut microbiome with the tomatoes and the cucumbers. And also lemons being a wonderful alkaline addition to it as well. I generally will have a little bit of lemon as well. As you can see, the nice lemon drops coming down like a nice waterfall, just to get my alkaline input for the day as well. And this alkaline mixture and addition is great because we need more alkalinity in our diet, which has been shown to fight colds, the flu, viruses, bacteria, infections, fungal infections, with just a simple lime or lemon. I also use limes as well for that extra kick and for that extra alkaline boost that the body and gut microbiome critically needs. Hope this was of help to you, my samurais and samurettes. I can make this delicious dish for a very special price just for you. And I hope you learned a lot today as well. I'm Dr. Isaac Alexis from the Slim Samurai Media Group 84, helping you to slash through sickness and offering you a slice of health and wellness. God bless.